Welcome to PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is Budget 2024, three new schemes of employment linked incentives. The Union Budget 2024 announced three schemes under employment linked incentives. The first scheme is a direct benefit transfer of 1 month's salary in 3 installments up to Rs 15,000 to first-time employees registered in EPFO. The second scheme is manufacturing incentives that will be provided directly to both employees and employers as per their EPFO contribution in the first 4 years of employment. The third scheme is a reimbursement to employers up to 3,000 per month for 2 years towards their EPFO contribution for each additional employee. Additionally, the Finance Minister proposed Rs 1.48 crore for skilling citizens to create job opportunities with the goal of skilling 20 lakh youth over a 5-year period. The minister said that the model skilling loan scheme will be revised to facilitate loans up to Rs 7.5 lakh. Upgradation of 1,000 industrial training institutes or ITI and internship opportunities in 500 companies for 1 crore youth over 5 years. The interns will get exposure to real-life environments and an allowance of Rs 5,000 per month. The Budget 2024 also proposed spending of Rs 2 lakh crore over 5 for creating jobs for youth and skilling them. It is estimated that 4.1 crore youths would benefit from this. Now is the time for practice question. Recently, the Budget 2024 proposed spending of Rs 2 lakh crore over 5 years for creating jobs for youth and skilling them. How many youths will be benefited from the scheme? 2.1 crore, 3.1 crore, 4.1 crore or 5.1 crore. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.